Hi guys, how you doing? My name's Jose, and behind me is my Silver R33 GTR, and you guys are watching HDWERKS. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. Let's get back to my R33. I purchased the car in 2021, maybe the beginning of 2022. I drove the R32, but I didn't really like it due to the fact of the smaller chassis. I drove the R33 and fell in love with it. Taking a look at the paint, guys, it is a 1995. Some of these cars do come with rust, paint chip, messed up paint, but as you can see, this paint is beautiful. I want to talk about the wheels. I'm in love with these wheels. They're 19 BBS LMs 3-piece. I get so much compliments on them, so I never thought about even taking the wheels off this car. Behind it, you see is the R35 brakes with upgraded rotors. And these Michelin Pilot Sports complete this whole setup. Coming to the back, guys, it's a V-Spec. You can see the V-Spec badge here, and it's a GTR, not a GTSC, so don't get it twisted. I have a blue stabilizer that matches the engine bay. I can't ride without music, so I do have a 12-inch subwoofer, and I have a full titanium Toomey exhaust from headers back. All right, guys, let's take a look under the hood. So as you can see, guys, it's a lot of work done to the car. It was bone stock when I brought it to my man Pete from HDWERKS. So we made a plan, and he basically made my dream come true. I didn't like it when it was bone stock. I love the car now. First thing first, guys, I upgraded the radiator. It was stock. I went coil with a 16-inch electric fan. The intake was stock, so I changed it to Nismo. I wanted to keep it in the JDM family. Then we got the Greddy fuel rail with the FIC fuel injectors. It eats a lot of gas, so every time I turn my head and I give it gas, we're already on E. And as you can see here, we paint match the blue struck bar. It's Miami Beach blue color. Same color as the struck bar, the R35 brakes, the cover for the motor, the tow hitches. One thing I really love working with Pete, he focuses on the details. As you can see here, we got the purple PRP oil cover, PRP trigger kit. He even put PRP radiator stage, and he finished it off with beautiful titanium hardware. Last thing I want to call your attention to is these beautiful Greddy pipes that lead to this big ass HKS intercooler that goes straight to the twin Garrett turbos. And all this combined makes 700 horsepower. Now let's cold start this bitch. Welcome to the interior, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how it feels to actually drive this car as a daily driver. I want to point out the i7 Haltech dash with the keyboard, Renault steering wheel, and the Recaro seats that I got shipped from Malaysia. Super comfortable. Now let's go for a ride. To actually own a JDM car feels wonderful. Not in a million years, I never thought I'd own a JDM, especially a Skyline, a right-hand drive GTR. I drive the car anywhere, pick up the kids from school, go to Publix, corner store, Walmart, wherever I get the chance to drive the car, I jump in there and go. Had a Hellcat. Everybody has a Hellcat, and that's one of the main reasons I got rid of it. Everybody and their grandma had a Hellcat. I can't say the same for this car.
Look to the right of you.
Huh? Look. You see, as you can see, everywhere I bring this car to. Even though she wasn't young, she was an older lady too. She was like 60 years old. Just everybody knows about this car. All right, you guys, thank you for watching a feature of my R33 GTR. I want to give a special shout out to Pete from HDWERKS on this amazing build. And if you guys want to learn all the parts that we use on this build, check the description below, and I'll see you guys next time.